And now he's being accused of all kinds of dangerous things. Even his alleged new teeth are catching fire. It's bad. Initially, fans were worried about him, even assuming that maybe he was involved in a fight. But then again, because in the video he also showed a car, assumptions then shifted to maybe an accident, right? And I also saw one blog that seems to know a little bit of what happened, saying that this happened in Cape Town after a successful performance at Saint for a famous and rich party. And besides that deleted video, he had also made a post that has also been deleted, stating that he's ready to give up on the music business, saying I'm somewhere between giving up or seeing how much more I can go, music industry, right? So since he posted and deleted without saying exactly what happened to him, people then got pissed with that because he is a public figure, and as such, he has a responsibility to his fans to explain things, especially those that he posts, worrying ones, because this video with his face full of blood is very worrying. So they started going all in on him, saying how traumatic and selfish he is, getting people worried and deleting with no explanation whatsoever. Even though he looks sad, his teeth make him look like he's smiling. So it's really confusing, but hopefully he is okay. There are some people who are even thinking maybe there's nothing much. Maybe this man had himself spinning, because have you seen his dance moves? He spins a lot, so maybe it got dangerous for him this time around. Also, there are those who believe Illuminati. It was a ritual, these people, but clearly these people are doing rituals. Let's mind our own businesses. He knows what he was doing. And another thing is that after deleting what he had posted, meaning the video and that post, he went on to post other things as if nothing happened, as if he didn't just guess. But we hope he's okay, so let's take it to the comment section, share our thoughts there. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.